spring na kami. Ay, oo. Ay, hindi. Fall pala. Sorry. Kakatapos na. Ewan mo kung anong gagawin nila dito ulit. Baka magtatayo ulit ng building. Diba? Malaki pa kasi ito eh. Tignan nyo, ang dilim na. Buti nakapaglakad na kami ni Tido Widow Pakundo. Hey, Pakundo! Yan siya, oh. Uulan to. Balak pa naman namin mag-park. Pero yun. Good morning, Kaden boy!
Good morning.
So, how was your sleep?
Good.
Ito naman!
I didn't know I found you.
You found me?
Yeah, I found you before anyone else could.
Yes, for sure. I am here always.
Hello, kiddies. We're gonna eat oatmeal.
Ayan guys, breakfast namin today. And oatmeal is good for?
Your heart.
Okay, I'll show you how to cook this one, huh?
What? I wouldn't want to cook it.
I'm going to boil it. I'll just show you so you can do it when you... Oy, my sweet boy. My boy, my boy. Boil tayo ng water, then ilagay natin yun. Good morning!
Morning.
So, there is a breakfast challenge daw,
Yeah,
sabi
and-
nila.
And we have to guess.
Yan,
what
kumakain ng
breakfast
oatmeal.
has
Ayaw nila ng nuts eh.
it. So you have to guess the breakfast.
How is it?
Good.
It's like champurrado?
Yeah. So Ella, do you know what?
Blow
the
it first
breakfast
and
is?
up. It's hot. Okay?
Mixing it. So it's good.
Ayan na guys.
So
Okay.
guess the breakfast challenge. So what breakfast is this? Tell in the comments below. I'll tell the answer in the end.
How
What's
is it,
your-
Ella?
So what is it?
Good.
Ella,
Yeah.
what do you think this is, Ella? What do you think? What do you think? Please comment down where are you watching below now.
So if they're watching from US,
They have to comment that they're from the US.
how about in Canada?
They have to comment that they live in Canada and watching for Canada.
Okay. May maganon-ganon ka pa ha? Yung akin guys, so parang ito na yung brunch ko. Sa kanila magla-lunch pa din yung mga yan mamaya. Si Daryl tulog pa.
A few moments later.
Guys, lalabas tayo ngayon. Si Daryl nanginginig sa lamig. Akala ko winter na daw.
Okay.
Lamig na, no?
Rocky.
No? Iba na, malamig na.
Can I get
Hi, Ella.
Rocky?
Uy, I didn't say na. Oh, sige, eat that one muna. And then don't...
Later na ulit.
Later
Ay,
naman na. Aalis pa lang tayo.
Just one.
Okay, close it
yan tayo
properly.
just one eh. Mamaya pagtingin namin wala na.
Oh,
Ubus na.
even Ella. Okay, Ella, put that one for your safety.
If you fall asleep,
Yeah.
it will catch your...
Ready?
Saan tayo?
Ready.
One eternity later.
Mga dreamers, so magha-harvest na din tayo ng ampalaya leaves. Tingnan nyo naman. Diba? So, medyo lumalamig na kaya natatakot ako kaya kailangan ko nang i-harvest. Ito. Tapos bibigay natin. Sharing is caring. So, yan. At least, diba? Ayan, guys. One down. Two down. Super ang lalaki ng dahon. Madami pa naman dito. Kasi malamig na talaga. Tingnan nyo yung iba. Nag-iiba yung ano niya. guys, nakuha na natin. So, di ba? Ito, oh, tingnan. Ito. Ang laki! Diba? Oh, kasi laki ng palad ko. Promise. Tingnan mo. Kasi laki ng palad ko. Di ba hindi naman ganito yung mga ano? Oh, naharangan yung mukha ni Daryl. Sa laki. Natutuwa talaga ako dito. Ang laki, no? O, Kuya Mark, ito na yung share mo. Yun nga, ito na yung share mo. Mga 3 lang. Kaya nga, parang hindi dahon ng ampalaya, guys. Na-amaze talaga ako. Oh, tignan mo, mas malaki pa siya sa mukha ni Daryl. Oh. Daryl, lapit ka nga. Oh. Oh, natatakpan. Guys, the winner. So yan, lalabas ulit tayo guys. Dadalhin natin yung ano. Mala giant na dahon. Tsaka pang ano, tawag dito, munggo. Ang munggo, bao. Mga jacket pa dito. Malamig na eh. You say hi to our ka-dreamers in Arizona, California.
Hi. Hi. If you're watching for another thing in the US, just comment
Vancouver
below.
then. What did you say, Anna?
So if you're watching for a different thing in the US, just comment below and we'll know.
How about you, Ella?
If you're watching our videos, please like it, subscribe, and watch our videos.
Dance, Ella.
The father of the family, his name is Daryl. Mother is Joanne, and she is my friend. Their daughter is Ela, and she is a star. Their son is Caden, and he's really smart. The Estraders family, the Estraders family, the Estraders family, the Estraders family.
Guys, dadaan lang kami dito sa Gled.
One eternity later.
Guys, to side to ng papunta sa west. 'Di ba? So, silipin natin yung pinapatayong Costco doon. Magbo-boom na din ang west. Wala, magiging magulo na din. Charot! Dadami na. I mean, hindi magulo na magulo. Parang magiging crowded. Yun yung tamang term. Saan nga kaya yung Costco? Grabe na yung ulan mo yun. Cloudy talaga. Rough road, sabi pa niya. Unang bahay. Ang ganda rin ng bahay na to, oh. No? Kaden? Yeah. You like it? Ay, talaga si Kaden. Kaden, do you understand some Tagalog? Edgewater. Oh, isa rin. Here also, as well, oh, parang nasa ano lang, same lang. Where is the Costco here? There will be a Costco. Wow, they have a nice ano here, oh, park. I golf course. Oh, parang Daryl. Oh, wala ka na sa linya. You saw an airplane?
There's something, Mommy.
What na?
When we go to Edgewater, if we can't go to Edgewater, we can see if there's, we can find go around Edgewater to see if there's any Costco. So that we know where Costco is. Or if we move there, then we have a Costco nearby.
Yeah, correct.
I think that's the best. This is the best place to live here.
Really?
Yeah, I think this is really.
This is an area where it's a place, a great place to live. Ala,
Like over there.
Daryl, dahan-dahan
And then over
lang.
there.
Ano naman yung ano natin?
And over there on the Edgewater.
Look, oh! Nag-ano na sila ng grass for the cows.
So so are you gonna move? Do you want to go to move to Edgewater?
Ay, you want in Edgewater?
Yeah, they said that. I think that if there's a Costco gonna be built there, maybe it will be nearby us.
It's not there. Over this side, ang Costco.
Ayan.
Oh, yeah. There. Oh my God, Kaden. Oh, it's nice here to live near Costco.
Yeah,
But it's so...
maybe I don't know. I don't know where to live. How can you go to work while going to Costco? Maybe you have to change to a new job.
Oh,
I think it's better. Maybe
oh, Daddy, I'll change to my new job na lang.
that's near us. So that you just
So you want to live here?
so that you have a new near Costco and then
Yun na ba yun?
Work for Mommy. I think this is the Costco.
Horizon now, racing lang naman
I
yun.
think this is the Costco that's getting built.
Oh, ano kaya? Saan kaya hinahanap namin guys yung Costco? Trip-trip lang.
I think this is the Costco. It's big and Costco is big, so I think that's a Costco. I
Really?
think that's a Costco for the Edgewater.
Mm-hmm.
So this is maybe the Horizon is building a Costco for the Edgewater right over there.
You know agad yung name ha,
It's still
Edgewater.
here.
Nice name, hey?
Yeah, Edgewater is a good name. And even Horizon has a good name.
Yeah.
We always see it.
Mukhang ang ito yung Costco, Dad. No?
Hmm.
Yan, oh. Dito. Ay, oo nga! Yan, oh. Costco!
Yeah, it's coming soon.
Yeah.
See, it's Costco.
Yeah, correct. So, ang dami na rin dito, no? Mga kabahayan.
Oh, you also have two Costco's.
Lots of houses here, oh, to choose. Okay, then. Choose your house na.
Yeah, maybe there's one that might be. that
Show
has
homes, oh, Daryl. Ito yung sinasabi ko
There's so
sa'yo.
many homes they pick from and we have a lot of money.
Mhm.
I think this is where
Yan yung sa home.
Mhm. Saan yung show homes?
finally we reached it.
Ito, grabe, oh. Ang gaganda, bago. Ang lapit mo lang sa Costco, no?
Hmm.
Maganda na rin tong pang start. Ikutan lang natin. Hindi na tayo papasok sa ano. May park and play early learning center pa sila dyan, no?
There's
Oh.
also a park and play nearly.
So Ella can stay there. Oh, see? You want to stay here, Ella?
Yeah.
You want to live here
There's
pala?
a Costco nearby. I choose Estera
Saan tayo?
over
Dito na.
over Edgewater.
Aha.
2 months
Ay, dito
free.
muna.
2 months free.
Oh?
Hmm.
Parang gusto pa lumipat ni Daryl dito.
That's the same house that Kuya
Kasi may
Bobby
2 months
did.
free daw.
Where's the same? Where's the same house where Tito Park is? I don't know which
Ginagawa
house.
doon,
Do you have
Oh, lots of houses there, guys.
Havana.
Oh, ang ganda na dito.
I wish we can live here. It will be near my Costco. And don't forget you need the
Oh, ito
new
yung
job.
sa ano, Broad Street yata.
And don't forget Mommy also need a new job.
Mommy needs a new job.
So
Allah.
I have a new nearby job and a new nearby Costco. Then
You-
life will be easier. Now you don't
So you want me to work in Costco na lang?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Go to that playground.
Where, anak? Where?
There's a
Where's the playground, nak?
Ella doesn't know.
Show homes.
Mm.
I do know.
Mommy, you missed it. You missed the playground I was talking about.
Dead end ahead.
You missed it. Mommy,
Mm.
do you remember when Ella said that there's a playground?
Ito ang dami lots of houses there.
Also a playground and you missed it. So that's why it's no playground.
Di labas tayo dun sa ano.
I don't know if it's here. It's not here.
Okay, rental center.
Ginagawa pa kasi.
Oo, dami dun, oh.
Mm.
Laki-laki pa nito kasi, oh.
It's here. It looks like an old house.
Yes, correct. The first one, right?
The first apartment in Canada that ever lived. Now we moved to a new house. Then we moved to a new house, which is the what's the name? I forgot the name.
Edgewater?
No,
Costco?
no, we're not moving there to Costco or Edward.
Broad Street?
No, it's a house I live in right now. I'm talking about that.
Oh, Sterling Manor.
Oh yeah. So
Yan, guys.
So
Dami.
So that was our first house. Then we moved to a different house. Then we moved to Sterling
Check nyo na
Manor.
lang.
Right, mommy?
Where, anak? Where's
You
the
missed
playground?
it. You missed it, mommy.
Dito ka pa talaga nag-playground sa West.
I was always telling you for a playground. And really wants to play.
Did you see the playground, Daddy?
No, I'm
I
driving.
didn't see the
Oh,
play.
Ella, tell us where's the playground.
When you see it,
Yeah, when you see it. Daddy is slow, driving slow.
I can help you too. I'll help you. I'll help Ella.
Ang lapit nga, no, Daryl? Grabe, swerte ng mga nakatira na dito. Di na sila mahirapan. Dadagsain na to, agad. Maubos ang mga bahay dito, no? Nandito na yung trabaho, eh. Bagong-bago tong mga to.
Where's
Yan,
the
oh.
house?
Yan, oh. Lots of houses.
Yeah, I don't know which house is Kuya Mark went in.
Kuya Mark, Tito Mark.
I forgot.
It's your tito, not your kuya. Ayan na, nagde-deliver, Daryl. Oo. Oh, nandito yung Havana, guys. Yan, Havana.
Where's the
Rentahan dito, Barley Street.
Where's the one?
Where's the playground?
I mean, where's the house Kuya Mark is in? Playground.
Oh, dito muna tayo sa playground.
Daddy will go to find Tito Mark where we
Ang layo namin nag-playground, no, guys, sa West pa.
To tell you something, Mommy. When Daddy goes to look for Tito Mark while Mommy, me, and Ella plays on the playground, okay?
Okay. You know, for sale. Oops. Ay, ang laki pala. Naka-zoom si Daryl. So excited! Nag-play si Ella dito, guys, sa West. Ayan, guys. Dito tayo sa West.
I'm excited too.
Pero maglalaro
I'm
siya dito
excited
sa
because
West.
maybe after we're done, we can go home and watch iPad.
Yeah. Ang ingay ni Kaden.
Because that's what you gonna hear.
Look at this house. You want that house?
Yeah.
Wala.
That looks like
Very excited.
that looks like the same park that I've been when we're near when we're in a.
Ayan na, guys.
Even also makes for train park.
Ala, salita si Kaden.
I mean the pipe playground.
Oh, this is so nice. Ang ganda dito,
I
no?
want to live here.
You want to live here na?
Yeah, because I like this house. And I like playground.
Ganyan din ulit sasabihin mo sa pupuntahan pa natin. You're so happy? Woohoo! Smile! Smile!
The father of the family, his name is Daryl. Mother is Joanne.
push.
She is a star.
Push.
The sun is
Ah, ganon. Ako talaga ipupush mo. Push, Ella, sabi ko. Oh, push. Push, Ella. Oh, swing mo daw yung isa mong tiyanak. Ang lamig. Ang hangin, no? Tingnan mo. Oh my God. Ang laka. Ah.
His name is Darren.
Kuya.
Mother is Joanne, and she
Oopsie, you forgot. Oh, you say again. Say it again.
daughter is Ayla, and she is a star. Their son is Caden, and
Very high.
go.
Okay, hold tight.
The Estrella family. The Estrella family.
Whee! Gosh! Oh, push!
The Estrella family.
Ang lamig. Kami lang yata maingay dito. Dayo na nga lang maingay pa. What's that, Ella? Look, oh, Ella. Why? You want to play again? Okay. We will come back here. You want to stay here na? You want to live here? You want that house? Saan? Di ko rin makita. Saan yun? Oh. Where's the helicopter? Saan? Ah, there. Oh, Ella. Hi! Helicopter! Look, oh, Ella, there. Oh. There. Oh. May mga side entrance pala sila. Na? Enjoy din naman tong si Ella at Caden eh. Na? Same lang kasi pare-pareho lang din ang developer. Oh.
Meron silang 2 car siguro. Ito 1 car.
Yung isa, dalawa. Tapos meron
Ito,
pa
isa
sa
lang
labas.
din
No?
yata ito
Meron
eh.
pa sa labas.
Sa mga tatlo.
Ito, kanola. Dami pa dun sa dulo, guys. No?
Naka-close dahil ginagawa ko.
Eh, once na nag-start ang Costco dito, sunod-sunod na yan. Didikitan na yan ng mga ibang establishment.
Mommy,
What?
I should throw this.
It's fine. Just put it there. I'm gonna fix it later. Okay, ma'am.
Honey, that's hard.
Ayan naman.
Live here.
Oh, you wish you can live here? Why? It's very far from my work.
They just moved a new job. That's what I said.
And it's far from your school.
But I just want to play in the park.
Yeah.
Gustuhan nila dito. Bata, syempre. We need to consider everything, mga anak. Okay?
Walang mga store dito. Costco lang Costco lang.
Laging Costco. Eh, di grocery na si Daddy agad. Ang laki, oh. Costco.
Siyempre, parkingan.
So, magiging dalawa na ang... Ito siguro mga, winners, ganun. No? Magiging yun.
Or Costco lahat yan, pati parkingan. Tapos gas station.
Oh, pwede. At least din dumami ng mga bahay dito, no? Dati Broad Street lang ang alam ko, Daryl. Oh, may Tim's din pala dito sa dulo.
Yeah, there's a Tim's.
Grabe. Ang dami ng lumalaki na talaga ang Regina kasi dumarami na rin yung mga tao. Ay, oo, may brand pa dyan pala.
Yes.
mamimili ka na lang. North, East, West, or South. Na-try na namin ang North. Na-try na namin ang East. Ayun. Border dito sa area na to guys, papunta. Sabi ng mga tiyanak, punta daw kami. Gusto niyo ba
I have a Canadian passport.
Ikot lang.
Where's your Canadian passport then?
You have to tell them to give us one. So that you go to the US border.
Hinihingi lang pala yun.
Yeah, I'll
Request
ask
ka
them,
ba?
okay? I'll request them.
Okay. Promise is a promise.
Okay. Oh, you tell to the officer to request a Canadian passport.
Please send us a Canadian passport. We really want to go see the US border.
How about you, Ella?
Order lang pala titinan eh.
Okay. Ayan na si Ella. Mukhang satisfied naman na. Ay, hindi pa.
Oh no. Ella!
Hindi pa pala.
Ella's crying.
Guys, tas na tayo dito sa park na to.
Continue straight on
Next
George
park
Street.
naman
Then turn right on
is-
East Buckingham Drive.
Tas na tayo sa Crosby Park. Next park is Maka Park. Yung bagong park.
No, I want to go to Maga Park first.
Yeah, that's the one.
Where's the Crosby Park?
The Crosby
Turn
Park
right
is
on
that
East Buckingham
one.
Drive.
So it's the Crosby Park is the newest park in Eastbrook.
The Maka Park is the newest park in Eastbrook.
Then why are you going to Crosby first? Is that
We
going-
already been in Crosby, the one that Ella.
But that was called the Pirate Playground. There.
In 200
Oh yeah, the
meters, turn
Crosby,
left.
the green one. So going to the Maga Park, that's new. Yay! We have to tell. Did Coy Franco went there?
Mm-hmm.
So we have maybe Coy Franco is down there. I wanted to see the newest park in the world.
Turn left.
Like the newest park in Eastbrook. What? This is so exciting. I want to see what the park is. The Maga Park.
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Yes, Maga Park.
Ah, dito pa pala.
Yay, newest park in Eastbrook. The newest park in Eastbrook. The newest park
The
in
father of the family, his name is Darren. Mother is Joanne, and she is my friend. Their daughter is Ela, and she is a star. Their son is Caden, and he's really smart. The Estradus